Yo, what's up, people? This your boy Pete Ross back in the building. And if you're looking for a dope VPN, check out NordVPN Plus anti-malware protection, okay? I'll leave my affiliate link down in the description for y'all to check that out. Enjoy threat protection, block trackers, and malware. Get 2 years of reliable VPN service for $3.29 a month. Get into it, y'all. Peace. Oh, man, here we go. Once again, Tag Hoya in the building. Yo, what's up, people? This your boy Pete Ross, and as you see, we out here enjoying life. But right now, I got a shoe unboxing that I want to show y'all. But before I do that, I want to open this up. My wife ordered this shoe, right? And she said they're heat. They're for her for sure. But she told me that they was heat, so let's get into it. P. Ross wristwatch love. All right, people, let's go ahead and unbox this and see what we got. All right, let me see. I think it's better to go in this way. She said they heat. We about to find out. You know what I mean? That's what she said. I didn't say it. She said it. Go to the Nike box. All right, and there we go. Throw that on the ground right quick. We get into that later. But let's see. First, women's Air Max SC LEA. Just take a look at them, yo. Whew. You know what? She was not lying. She was not lying. These are heat. I'm feeling these. I'm really feeling these. I like that. Ooh, I like the way that leather feel on there too. Ooh, yeah, that's hot. Yeah, she picked the winner on this one. For sure. Shout out to my wife, Darlene. You did that, babe. You know. Kind of remind me of an Air Max 90, but it's all good. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, that sole feel good too in there. So, yo, let's get into the main attraction. This is a hot shoe right here. All right, y'all, here's the main attraction. You know what I'm saying? This is a Nike Air Force One Low Supreme in the building. All white, of course. Colorway white, blanc. Size 12, my size, remember that? So let's take a look at these joints right quick. Woo, shit. Those look like butter, baby. Ooh, I can't wait to throw these on the feet. Damn. Got the Supreme logo right there, and that's kind of, I like the way that that's in there, yo. Ooh, wee, fire. Air Force One Classic. Let's look at the other one right quick. Damn. Yeah, these are butter, baby. Butter. I'm feeling them. Better ask somebody. Yeah, them hot. I like that. Got Supreme in there on the insole. Again, a size 12. Fire. Fire as hell. And it's like they come with some Supreme shoestrings, which I don't know if I'll use these or not. I may use them, I don't know, but I might use them, I'm not for sure, but you know, it is what it is, you know. Yeah, these fire though, I'm loving them. So, yeah, this your boy P. Ross in the building for sure, you know.